yes, so anyways, let's get to it. So yeah, it's actually a mic. So, oh gosh, shit is hard, man. I have a scissors somewhere around. I know I do. Hold on, the thing have instructions. Oh my gosh, like no, duh. You guys don't like to follow instructions. Like this. The instructions are literally right there. Okay, I don't think I have enough straw, so I might just have to cut it. There you go. So, this is it. Pop Voice. It has, well, it says it comes with 2 mics. Okay, dual head lavalier microphone. So I can plug it into anything. A desktop, a laptop, tablet, phone. Yeah, okay. Ooh, so cute. Like what? So I could just always, you know, keep it in this. This is super cute. Okay. So we have a manual here. You know, we kind of don't like to read manuals sometimes, but so this is the microphone. Okay, and they sent 2 extra air muffs, wind muffs, sorry. The phone adapter and 2 clips. That's just extras, I would say, because we have 2 clips in here. The wind muffs, yeah. And I would think this goes into the phone. Wouldn't this part go into the phone as well? Okay, let's see. It seems super long. Let me see, it says how many inches long. Like, whoa. Hold on. Okay. I don't know, it showed me different products and their length. I give up. I'm trying to figure out how long. I saw it on Amazon, but I can't recall. That seems like it is super duper long. Well, I did want it because of the length. Because I don't plan on sitting this close to the phone. Like, I don't mind the phone being all over there. Like, you know, probably I can do like a cooking segment one time, you know. I mean, I'm not the best, but so the phone can be like over there on this side of the counter, and it can be by the stove, you know what I mean? And I'm talking, and you guys would be hearing clearly. Okay, I'm gonna just take out a little bit of this. Dude, that's a lot of wire that I'm not ready to unravel, I swear. Okay. Okay, let me just take out a little more. Oh, gosh. I feel so afraid for my life because this is so long. Like, I didn't bargain for this. Okay. Just wrap this back. So, remember how I sound now. Okay. So, hello there, guys. Is both working? Ooh. I'm so silly. Okay, so then I guess I'd have to figure out which one is working, because then I have this extra piece here. So I'm assuming maybe it has to go in this as well for both sides to work. Or, you know, I don't know. Okay, let's try this. So yeah, we're trying this. I'm just going to connect it again. I added the extra piece. It came like this, and with this extra piece, I'm just adding this. Okay. Can you hear me now? Good. Okay, okay. Yeah, so I believe it's working because I listened to it a while ago. Yes. So yeah, and the quality sounds like it actually sounds so much better. So you know, from now on I'm gonna be using that. Hallelujah, hallelujah. But everything is just so cute. My favorite part is the little pouch. So you know, I'm gonna be carrying this like everywhere. Okay, okay, okay. So what I also went and I bought, guys, okay, this is so bright, and you will not believe, my people of Santa Lucia, I bought this at SNS. Yes, pal, for like, maybe you should go and see it yourself. Look, brightness galore, and it's so fancy too. Like, look at that. Yes, pal, stay there. I find it, let me tell you, the amount of light, I just don't like to see it in my glasses, but oh well. Look at this. I like it. That would be good for nighttime, like if I wanted to record anything nighttime or whatever. It's just so beautiful, like, oh my gosh. Oh, make me feel so angelic. Oh well. Yes, okay. So I am very happy to have my new toy, and you guys are going to be getting like better sounding content. Like, not like I wasn't sounding good already. I know I was sounding good, but you know, like I said, better. And this will come in handy for this little thing I want to do for you guys, you know, something special. Okay, well, thank you for watching and for being here with me for my unboxing, you know. Hi there, mic number 2. Yes. Anywho's, toodles. Have yourself a wonderful rest of, today's what? Thursday. I'm so tired. Like, you guys can't see it, but dude, I am so tired. Anyways, so you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and see you in another video. Bye. Guys, if I tell you, like I said earlier, we just do not like to follow instructions. Like, I'm reading the thing now, and the little piece that I added to the phone, it clearly says here, if you want to use the mic on desktop or laptop, you will need a black PC adapter cable, which comes with the mic to connect. Please do not use the black adapter on your phone. It is not a phone adapter. Seriously? Like, seriously. I just seriously connected that thing, and it was not even for that, you know? Such nonsense. this is just straight connection, like, you know, I didn't use the small piece that I was not supposed to use. It's so ridiculous, guys. When you get things, at least scan through, you know. Now I look at the thing, I was looking for the length, like how long it is, and it never occurred to me to look at this little piece right there. I didn't even notice that. And why do I even have glasses? Like, seriously? But yeah. Oh well. Yeah, that's done.